Hey, welcome back Food Fiesta Fam. We're coming at you with a brand new and delicious video. Hey, what are we cooking today, Chef?
Today we are making my delicious papas al cilantro recipe. It's very easy and quick to do it.
Wow, those look really good. Guys, before we get started, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out any of our future videos. And give us a like to support our channel. Let's get into it. Hey Food Fiesta fam, good to be back. Today we're going to be making some delicious cilantro-lime baby potatoes. It's a really simple recipe to make and you just need a few ingredients. For this recipe you will need the following ingredients. A 1.5 pound bag of baby potatoes. The one we have here are called Boomer Gold. You will need 4 limes, 2 serrano peppers, 1 clove of garlic, 1 bundle of cilantro, 1.5 tablespoons of chicken bouillon seasoning, 1.5 cups of olive oil, and then 1 cup of water. To get things started, let's first give our potatoes a quick rinse. Next, you will grab the juice from your 4 limes, your clove of garlic, your bundle of cilantro, your cup of water, and your 2 serrano peppers. Now let's head over to the blender and mix in all of our ingredients. We will blend all of these ingredients together for about a minute or two, just until we can see that everything is evenly mixed together. Once the sauce looks something like this, you'll know that it's ready to go. For this next step, we're going to cook our sauce. So let's head over to the stove and grab a frying pan. You can start this off at high to medium heat. You're going to throw your oil in there, and then you're going to pour your sauce into your frying pan. Then we can toss in our chicken bouillon seasoning and then just stir it around to make sure it gets evenly mixed. We are going to want to let the sauce boil, so this should take roughly 5 minutes. But just keep stirring it here and there, and then once you see it boil, you'll know it's ready. Now that our sauce is boiling, you can go ahead and turn the heat down to low, and then we can go ahead and toss in our baby potatoes. Just give these a quick stir to make sure everything gets mixed together properly. And once you're done mixing, let's go ahead and grab a lid and let these babies cook on low for 15 minutes. Alright, now that 15 minutes has passed, let's check back in. I gotta say, these are looking pretty dang good. Again, give them a quick stir to mix everything around and we're almost done. Alright Food Fiesta, so these are looking pretty delicious, I must say. Let's get them out of the frying pan and ready to serve. And don't forget about the most important part, the sauce. Yeah, don't forget that sauce. Our cilantro-lime baby potatoes are ready to eat. Here we're going to serve them with some arrachera, or also known as skirt steak for non-Spanish speakers. While these potatoes are a perfect side dish, who's to say you can't eat them as your main meal? Looking at you, vegetarians. And quick before we get to the taste test, I just wanted to introduce you guys to the newest member of the family, Rose. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more of her in our future videos. With that said, let's get to the taste test.
Alright guys, I'm excited. Let's give these potatoes a try. Food Fiesta Fam, I'm telling you, you do not want to miss out on this flavor.
And there you go, guys, our super delicious cilantro lime baby potatoes. We hope you guys like this video. If you want to keep seeing more videos like this, make sure to stay subscribed, drop us a like, and we'll be seeing you guys soon. Take care.